Hi everyone, welcome back if you've watched my videos. If you're not, I'm Melanie and I predominantly do food hauls and B&M hauls, which tend to have a food or drink item in anyway. So been to B&M, didn't really go for anything particular, and I spent, because I've got the receipt out for once, £16.69. so I'm going to show you what I got. So last time I was in, I got the Frylight olive oil, and I think I said at the time that I wanted to get another flavour, and they had this one in that is smaller than the typical ones, so I picked that one up. I'll show you the normal size, and sorry about the mess, I've not cleaned my hob. So this is the normal size, and this is the small size. That's £1.50, that's £1. It does work out cheaper slightly if you buy the big one, but I thought, I've got this, I'm probably going to use the olive oil a bit more, but I wanted to have the choice basically, so that's why I got this one. Then I got this Comfort Perfume Deluxe in Heavenly Nectar. On the shelf it said it was £2.99, but it went through the till as £3.49. I think in the supermarket it's £4.99 or £5.99, so it's still cheaper, but I'm disappointed it was £1 more, because I wouldn't have got it if I saw it at that price. But I've wanted this for a few weeks. It was the last one on the shelf. I don't think I've ever seen this scent in there. I've been eyeing it up in Asda, and it was on offer in Asda, and then when I went back to get it, it wasn't, so I basically grabbed it because I had the chance to get it. My favourite is Strawberry Lily by Comfort. Oh, I must be a Comfort fan. And I also like the furry one, which I've got anyway. So I just wanted a little bit different. So now I've got 3. In fact, I've got the coconut method one on the go. So would appear I've got too many on the go, but there you go. I wanted maple syrup for a couple of weeks because I'm eating a plant-based diet at the moment, and a lot of recipes that I've seen, because I've not really done many recipes, have maple syrup as an ingredient. I've never actually had maple syrup in the house, and the only time I've ever had it is when I've had pancakes from McDonald's, and you get the warm maple syrup in the pot, and I've always liked it. So I picked it up because it was £2.99, and I believe maple syrup can be quite expensive from what I know about it, and it was the last one on the shelf, so I've got it. So now I've got to put it in things, like I'm going to try and make smoothies and stuff and put it in as a sweetener to see how I get on with it. I then picked up a ginger radiating sheet mask, a cocoa butter hand mask, which sounds amazing, and I love cocoa butter. Some Happy Hippos, which are not for me because I'm eating a plant-based diet. And I got some Kinder Chocolate Minis, again, not for me because I'm currently plant-based. I picked up some dates. I wanted my dual dates because I've been told they're the best, but they can be expensive. I'm not 100% sure if I love dates. I do eat a lot of things that have got dates in, like naked bars have dates in, and I've had other things that are vegan or vegetarian that have got dates in, but I don't know if I like them in this form, but they're good because they've got fibre in. And I was surprised because they were only 45p. I expected them to be more, and they're the last one on the shelf, so we'll see if I get on with them or not. I used to use coconut oil to cook with all the time for years, up until about 1.5 years ago, and then I stopped using it. And I know I've got the Frylights, but I just wanted something different because it does add to the taste as well, and because I'm currently eating plant-based, I feel like this would be nice to cook with or have it mixed in with whatever I'm making. And I think that was like £1.89. They did have a cheaper one, but I like that it's organic, and I used to get mine from Aldi, so if you want a cheap one. Also, you can use it on your body, or you can put it in your hair as well, so if you don't end up cooking with it, there are other things you can use it for. I really like these. The 49p, they have other flavours, but this is the only flavour I've tried and I like the sound of, so that's why. And I have been getting Aldi's Lacura disposable razors. The one, either £1.39 or £1.29, but the head's a little bit bulky, and I do love them. But I spotted these for £1.99, and I thought I might get a closer shave and in areas that are harder to get to with these. I've had them before, so I'll just have these for now. I might go back to the Aldi ones. I probably will probably get a packet next time I'm in, but I've not been in for a few weeks and I needed some razors. And that, I'm quickly like looking around to make sure it's everything that I got, but that's everything I got. And as I said, it came to £16.69. If you quickly want me to tell you how much everything was, I will do. So the comfort was £3.49, even though the shelf it said £2.99. The maple syrup was £2.99. These were 49p each. The dates were 45p. The fry light was £1. The Venus razors were £1.99. The organic coconut oil was £1.79. The sheet mask was £1. The Kinder chocolates was £1. The other Kinder chocolate was £1. The hand mask was £1. And I think that's it. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, it'd be absolutely amazing if you could subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button. And the next haul you should see will hopefully be part 1 or the entire food haul for the week. So if you want to see what I buy weekly whilst I'm currently plant-based, then please feel free to come back and watch that. Thank you for watching.